Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Happy Wednesday. I'm so happy that you're here and thank you so much for clicking in today's video. We are going to be doing a home office tour. I'm so excited for you guys to finally see where the magic happens, where I edit my videos. This is where I spend a lot of my time at and I'm very happy with how it came out. I'm always changing things around on a day-to-day basis, literally. So for now, this is what it looks like. If I do any changes, of course, I will be vlogging it for you guys. Once quarantine is over, I do want to add additional pieces to this room just to make it a little bit more home office-y-ish and things like that. I will be linking all of the product, well, not all of them. Let me not say all of them because you guys, sometimes it's hard to find these products, but for the most part, a lot of these things are from IKEA, so I will link it in the description box below. So make sure you check there before commenting where something is from, because most likely I will link it there. So make sure you go ahead and make yourself a nice little cup of tea or coffee because we're gonna be here for a while. And yeah, if you guys are ready to watch this home office tour, then keep on watching the video. Alright, so we just walked into the office and this is the door from the entrance. So this is what you see when you look around. Very open space. I have my little desk, I have my little couch, my little printing section, I have my balcony, and then I have my two closets here and then the nail bar. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna pan around in the room. That way everything just makes sense. All right, so when you come in here, this is my little office. I mean, I use both of them. This one has my computer and this one has my laptop. Originally, I had it set up as my workspace and my vanity space, but for those of you who saw the beauty room tour, I put my vanity over there because I just wanted to keep this as like the working room when it comes to editing. I just ended up creating two workspace. It was supposed to be a his and hers, but my husband doesn't really work from home, so I ended up just designing them both myself, and I use both of them depending on what I'm doing. This one is closer to the window, so I've been sitting there a lot more lately. So this one right here is my area. This is where I typically would sit to do my videos. I would sit to just edit them, and I love this workspace so much. It's so cozy, so me, so girly. I just really like it. So let's give you guys a rundown of the unit before I get started. So everything that you see from here, furniture wise, again, is from IKEA. IKEA is my tried and true. I love them. They're affordable. They have really good quality furniture and I need all the affordability I can get. So I just decided to play around with IKEA. I have 3 individual Alex drawers. These are not connected by any means to these tabletops. So I have 3 Alex drawers. This one has all of my nail stuff. This one has skincare and this one has just like random stuff. I don't think I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside because it's not really organized, but just know nails, skin, random stuff. On top of these 3 Alex drawers, I have 2 tabletops, and if you guys can see here, there's a divider because these are not attached. I need to fix that because you can make it look really close together, but these are not attached. These are 2 really long tabletops. I think this is the biggest size that IKEA has. It's very functional and I love it. I used to have this same exact system at my parents' house when I used to live with them, except for I did an L desk, which I thought was really pretty. I wanted to do an L desk for this room as well, but there's a beautiful nice window here, so I didn't want to cover that up. What made more sense is just to do a really large desk from wall to wall, and I love it. It's really nice, but you can also do an L desk if you want to. That's the beauty of doing it your own way because it's customizable. You can move it, you can rearrange it. Let's say we move out of here into another home. I'm not tied to this system. I can change it around and, you know, not mess up any furniture. So this is what I have right now. I love it. It's very spacious, very big, and it gives me enough workspace. So here I have the same exact system. They both are the same exact thing. They're actually mimicking the vanity that I had in my beauty and filming room. If you watch that video, you know what I'm talking about, but I love this system. I think it's just so pretty, so clean, it's so nice. So I decided to keep this system and recreate it on the other side. If you guys saw the vlog, I did take you guys to IKEA with me and we designed this together. I love the system. It's very clean, very minimal, but me, you know. So I have this shelf right here, which is an add-on desk from IKEA. This is also add-ons. You can just buy them separately and create them together. You can add more shelves or take out shelves. This is what I came up with and I really like how it looks. So on my desk, I pretty much just have this little mouse pad, which I like. I got dirty because I'm always eating and doing my nails here, but I got this mouse pad from Amazon. It is amazing because it's extra large and I like the flexibility of being able to just move my mouse anywhere without it like making that like annoying sound on the desk. It just, I don't know, it's just personal preference, but I love this large mat here. And then I just have my computer. Oh, this table, this little what would we call this? This little holder was also from Amazon. I got this a while ago. It's a little on the pricier side, but it was honestly perfect for me because I wanted something that gave me underneath storage, and I was also able to put different things on it to just keep myself organized. I have a calculator, I have my post-its, my little clips and pens, and my SD cards, which I can stand them up here, which I really like, and then I can stand my phone here. So I really like this desktop stand for my computer. I have another one there for my laptop. It's great, it's so functional. I typically would just hide my mouse pad and my keyboard under there just to keep it nice and clean. Moving on to this side, I always have my water with me because I'm always so thirsty. This is just a cute little pen holder. I think I got this from Marshall. I love it because it's a little kitty cat. It's so cute. I just keep my pens there. And then these are actually the flowers that I DIY'd for my wedding. This is the bouquet that I had and it's just so cute. I DIY'd it and I just love it. So I keep it here on my desk. I have a ton of little notebooks and journals and crossword puzzles and anything that I had already. I just kind of kept it and displayed it because I love collecting planners and notebooks. So I got a couple of them here, and then this little cactus that I got from HomeGoods. These minor little decors are literally just random. Most of them are from Target, Marshalls, or HomeGoods. I just kind of put anything that matched my personality and just like, and that went with the theme, which was just white and pinks and gold, and a little bit of green, but not overpowering. So I really like how this came out. These little knobs did not come with this add-on, so I got these from Amazon, and I like them because they look so much better than the traditional one that comes with it. And then I just have my little 2 folder holders right here, and I got this from Target. I just keep my important paperwork and I have it labeled by month, so I just keep it like that just to keep myself more organized. So this calendar right here, it's pretty empty because I know I was going to be filming this video. I didn't want to fill it up with personal stuff, but I typically like to keep my personal stuff here and like really important work stuff like deadlines, due dates, rent, bills, all that stuff. I like to write it down there so that I know. I got this one from Amazon a while ago. I actually spray painted the borders gold because it originally came in black. It's humongous. I wanted a really huge calendar that was gonna fill up half of the wall, which I'm so glad I was able to find it. But not only that, I wanted something that was good quality. Like this is really sturdy. This is not going anywhere. It's like a frame. So I know I'm gonna have this for a very long time because it's really good quality. And then I got this little like to-do list from Michael's. I love it because it's gold, it matches my aesthetics. And then this little guy right here, I got it from Target. I put my important mail there, receipts, all that stuff, just to keep myself a little organized, and it's also very aesthetically pleasing and I really like it. So that concludes the first part of the desk. Rater. Oh, and I also got this lamp from IKEA. I like it because this is like my little nail station. So I always like to have it here so when I'm doing my nails, like I can see everything that I'm doing and I'm making no mistake. This light comes in handy, so I have it there. I moved my refrigerator that was originally in my filming room. I moved it over here because it was getting cluttered over there. So this is my little refrigerator with skincare, since this whole thing right here has a bunch of skincare products. All right, moving on to this little section right here. I really love this space. I didn't really know what to do. Oh, hey girl. Hey. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with this space because it was a pretty big space that divided the 2 shelves. So I went to IKEA and I found this really nice cubby, and it literally fit perfectly in here with the light and with the little necklace and like hello sign. Everything like fit really nicely. Here I just have random decor, candles, my glasses, just decor that I had sitting for a while. Here I have some jewelry pieces, my perfume, and just empty jewelry boxes. And then this mirror is from Target. I love this mirror. I think it's so pretty. I love the gold detailing. It just really matched with my room. So I love it. And it also really opens up the space and it makes it look bigger because you can see this is where the balcony is. So it just like reflects more light, which is what I like. Vanity lights I got from Home Depot. I love them because they're customizable. You can add, you can take away lights. So when the sun sets, this really helps because it really keeps the room nice and bright. And then just like the regular light, I like a bright space, so these come in handy. Oh, I totally forgot to mention where this chair is from. My chair was from IKEA. Rug was from Costco, and I need a new chair desperately. Like, both of my chairs are straight up messed up. I've had them for a while, so any recommendations, please let me know. I was looking on Wayfair to see if they had anything that was more affordable, because surprisingly chairs are very expensive and I want something comfortable because I'm literally sitting here all day. So any recommendations, please leave them down below. Moving on to the next side, this is the same exact system. Literally everything is exactly the same. Only thing is that I added shelves on the top that this one didn't have because the MacBook is too big. So I kept the shelf here. I keep my little MacBook Air. I have my MacBook Pro here and I just do work there. I have this little phone charger thing from Casemate and you just put your phone there and it charges it, which is great because I spend a lot of time here, so I like to make sure that my phone is charging. I also have the little laptop holder on this side with just like essential stuff. Here's like my SD card reader. Here's like my USB plug. I always keep this here because I always need it when I'm editing a video. And then more notebooks, more candles because I absolutely love candles. I wear glasses, so I always have like backup ones here. And then just like random little decor that I found. I'm always in the hunt for some new decor. So that is that. Oh, and then I displayed my little crown that I wore for my wedding day and I absolutely love it. I'm like, this needs its own space, and then I put it right under You and Me, which is my favorite mug ever. So I really liked how that came out. And then, oh, I forgot to show you guys my favorite little system. This holds all of my hoop earrings. I got this from Amazon. I think it looks really nice and it obviously matches the aesthetic. So I really like this little hoop earring holder. I don't even think that's what it's for. I just kind of hung my hoops there. I'm like, we can make this work. And then this is my little headpiece that I also wore for my wedding day, and I like it because I didn't want it to get messed up. So I figured, why not display it? So I really love this one. Also very minimal in decor. On this side, I also have another mat that I got from Amazon. This one's a little bit bigger. I actually like this one a little bit more because it's bigger, so it takes up more space and it's just easy for when I'm working on my laptop or the extra mouse. It's just, you should totally get one if you have like an office desk because it makes everything much easier. So here's the curtains that I have. I love this pattern of curtain. I have it in my living room too. It's from IKEA. I really do like this print because it matches the room. This is yellow, but it looks almost gold. So when I saw it, I was like, yeah, I need that because it's so pretty. So I have two sets of curtains here because this is a pretty big window. So it lets in a lot of natural lighting, especially in the mornings. This little guy right here, this little lamp that I never use, it's just mainly for decor, to be honest. I got this at Target and it was actually really affordable. These lamps are like almost $100 and I think I got it for like 60 bucks or like 50 bucks, something crazy like that. I was like, oh my god, I need it. So I got it and I think it looks really nice with the couch. I've always wanted a pink couch. Like, I don't know, it's just like, I always wanted a pink couch. So I found this one on Wayfair and it's actually a futon, so you can turn it into a bed, which is really cool. It's like a velvety material. So I definitely do have to be careful, but it's a velvety material. This is where Milo comes and just barks at everyone in the neighborhood because he thinks this is his couch. He thinks he's like the owner of everything. This is Milo's spot, literally. Pillows are from Target and IKEA. These like cases are from IKEA. I got them in IKEA. Rug is from Costco as well. But I love my pink couch. I do sit here and just get some work done when I don't want to sit at the desk. I just sit here, hang out, open the windows, and it's great. Rug is from Rugs USA. It is humongous and I love it. I actually had to cut it because it was just way too big, but it worked out. I love this rug and yeah, I got it from Rugs USA. Moving on to this little area right here, which is one of my favorite areas of the room. This is my little printing station that I created. So I have the Canon printer, and in case I need to print out any important documents, I wanted to create like a little printing station. I have backup papers, I have inks, and anything that you would need when you're at a printing station. So up here, I just have notebooks, I have Post-its, big ones, small ones, paper clips, stapler, highlights, pens, anything that you would need at a printing station. I really wanted to give myself the office space. So everything that you would find in an office, I wanted to just replicate it just in my style at home. So printer, paper, highlighter, all that stuff definitely necessary at a home office. I don't use this as much, but anytime I want to print out a contract or revise a contract, this bad boy comes in handy. And then over here, I had a really big plant. It was a real one and it died. So I gave up on real plants and I just got a fake little one, which doesn't really fit the basket. I just kind of like improvised. I got this basket from IKEA. I really liked it. Didn't want to give it up. So I was like, let me just put something in there to kind of fill it up. So I need to get an actual plant that would fit there so it looks better. But that's from IKEA. This is my memory box. I have all of this stuff from high school, middle school, early college years in here. And I've had this box for years. Definitely could use a replacement, but it just holds a special place in my heart, so I just have it here on display and I don't want to get rid of it. But if you look at it, it's like, it's dusty. Like, not even dusty, it's just like stained. That's how long I've had it for, but I love it. Here's the heater. Never really have this on because of all the stuff that I have around here. Here I just keep extra products I need to try out, and my bathing suits are also in here. Oh, and then this mirror right here, totally forgot to show it to you guys, is from IKEA, and it was only $50 for this size. I am obsessed. I love it. It opens up the space so much, and it's frameless because I wanted something frameless because this one already has a frame, so I wanted something that didn't have a frame. Fit perfectly, filled up the wall perfectly, and I love it. It just definitely opens up the space. Oh, Milo, do you want to say hello? Do you want to say hello? Are you gonna come and join the tour? See, told you guys, this is Milo's couch. Milo always rips out all of these things from my rug, and it drives me insane because he makes a big look. He makes little holes in them, and it's annoying because he thinks this is dirt. No! No. No, 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 no. Let's talk about the nail polish bars. So, if you know me and you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am obsessed with dip powder. I am obsessed with doing my nails. You want to leave? Goodbye. Bye. So if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with dip powder nails. I'm obsessed with doing my nails. I just like to have a fresh manicure. I like to have clean nails. So I am a bit obsessive with my collection, you can say. I like to feel like I have a nail salon at home. I've been doing my own nails for the last 2 years now, ever since I learned how to do my own dip. It's been game changing and I love it. So all of these dip powders that you guys see here, they're from Revel Nail. This is the only company that I use to do my dip because they're really good quality, they last long, and they're easy to use, and they're also really affordable. So I have pretty much all the colors you can think of, and I just like to have a fresh manicure. I don't know. But lately I've been playing around with gel. So this is actually gel on my nails right now. I love it, and I like to do tips on my nails too. But this is the nail polish bar. I love it. I have gel, I have regular nail polish. Literally everything you can think of, I got you. So if you need to do your nails, just let me know, come over, and we'll just have a girls' day together. And then here's like all of the gel polish. So here's gel, and then just like moisturizing treatments for your nails, dip powder stuff, poly gel in the bottom, literally anything you can think of. But this little acrylic case, it's actually 4 of them. So I have 4, even though it looks like it's 1. Is it 4? No, I think it's 5 of them. Yeah, I think it's 5 because here I have 2 and then here I have 3. So here is 3 acrylic cases, here is 2. They were a little bit on the pricier side. Originally just had this, but my collection kept growing and it didn't fit in my drawer anymore. So I wanted to just finish displaying it. So I got this from Amazon. If I find it, I will definitely link it, but it looks like 1 and it looks like you're in a nail salon, which is exactly what I was going for. So that is my little nail polish bar. And that is the entire office tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some inspiration. I know we are working from home now. Everyone is pretty much working from home, unless of course you're an essential worker. And I just want to say thank you so much for all of your hard work. It's definitely not going unnoticed. We love you. We appreciate your service. And I'm sending you virtual hugs and kisses. And thank you so much. I hope this video inspires you to maybe create your own little home office if you can. And I think it's so much fun to be able to have your own little like corner, especially now that we're working from home. Make a little station or anything that you can to just like get your mind into like work mode. Every time I sit on my desk, I'm like, okay, I'm ready to work and let's do this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this style of video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you guys would like to see more videos like this. We're in quarantine still. I mean, we're in day like 5,000, but there's a lot of organization videos I do want to do. Since we are now on like a schedule, I am going to be posting Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I want your feedback on what you guys want to see. I am going to be doing hair, makeup, and random vlogs slash home decor, or whatever other thing you guys would like to see, just to give us a little bit of variety when it comes to clicking on my channel. So I hope you guys are excited about that. You are going to see this makeup look, by the way. I just finished filming it, so if you see me wearing the same shirt, the same eye look, just know I filmed it in the same day. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye.